The C7 though, you cannot go wrong with black. That was a nasty couple. I like how we said we were just gonna cruise down. I think this is the new cruising. That car is nasty, and he knows how to hit these roads. It's one of those things, just like riding a motorcycle. When you're outside your comfort zone, you do not have to show off for anybody. Just do what you can do. And that's what the most people just can't understand. Come up with your friends or make new friends just so you don't have to show off, man. It's not always about who can take the corner harder or faster. Ooh, my God. Because when you're 5,000 feet up, you don't want to go down that. I love when the cars just move out of your way. Thank you. When you see a C7 and a ZL1 on your tail, it's most likely the better thing to do is to move. Oh, here we go. When your knees hugging the door and the console, that's when you know you're getting it. Sheesh. He's taking me to one of his spots that he knows and he loves, so this is about to be exciting. God, he is quick on those. Sheesh! Gotta get the sheesh in there. I'd love to go to a track day with this guy, man. I ain't even going to downshift. We'll leave this thing in third. Third is fine, man. You don't even need second up here. Good Lord. Just the amount of rocks I get behind this man with his sticky tires. Chevy knows what they're doing in these corners. I do feel safe though in this car, to be honest with you. Yes, you have all the power you need, but you also have all the stopping you need as well. So this thing is, I have nothing bad to say about it besides my tire choice, which is only tentative until they build the rest of my community. I really need to have 2 sets of wheels and tires, but that's coming down the road. I actually bought the headrest mount for the GoPro, but I launched the second GoPro off earlier, so yeah. So you only get one view today. I can just tell you, if they have a rail on something, you are way up. God dang, left turn. NASCAR deal, yeah, let's get it. Let the freedom sing. Got the Vet, got the Camaro. I thought this was the Cletus channel for a second. All that freedom. Hell yeah, brother. You're on the Blue Ridge Parkway Freedom Channel. Nah, he's the truth though. This is what you wait all day for right here. Always gotta chill by the lookouts so no one's calling the popo, or there ain't no popo. You gotta have your windows down up here. I don't care if it's nippy. You gotta enjoy the view, the smells, the E85, all that. The crackles, the pops, the bangs, everything, man. These are my favorite videos right here. We might have a mountain series. The bikes, the ZL1, modifications. I'm going to get better at these roads. It's only time. Once I get familiar with these things, sheesh, it's going to be a blast. Throw that thing in a second. Bust through a corner, bust through the hand hooks. We need the hand hooks. Yeah, let's get out a second. Second is a death wish up here. If I was on the Michelins, if If you're a tire sponsor, hit me up. We're gonna need some. I'll give you all the shout outs every video. Give me some tires. When you got the water dripping off the stones. Heck yeah. I'll join you in a second there, bud. I would love to get some rollers out here, man. Throw someone in the back of the trunk. Me chasing this C7 would be a blast. Golly. Give you dang whiplash. Yeah, he must know this one. He is loving this. Golly. This thing's just squatting. One day we'll be doing this in Lambos and McLarens. You quote me now. Back in third, back in safe third. That was my favorite stretch right there. He's saying slow down, so he knows something's up. Yep. That C7 looks so nasty out here. Natural habitat for both of these beasts. Oh my god. I haven't seen him use his brake in about a minute. Oh my, that's a dream turn right there. I'll drop into first. Oh yeah, baby. The fact that I can go to 60 in first. Holy shite. You gotta two-hand that. As long as one-handing that, they are the Rossi of sports cars. Oh my goodness. This is footage of a lifetime. I'm gonna be watching this footage when I'm 80 years old. Thinking of when I was 25 again, ripping through the mountains. This is some bar talk. Well, I'm gonna have the YouTube videos to back it up. Golly. Yeah, if he wasn't leading right there, I'd be off the side of the mountain. This is beautiful. He knows this road. They just slow down after that. Hey, 500 likes and I'll do a camping challenge in the ZL1 up here. I'll sleep in the ZL1 and or put a tent in the ZL1. 500 likes. Me and him, this is a bad combo. That is a bad dude driving that C7. This is not a good combo. Now that's how you burn a quarter tank of gas real fast. bougie when you got the seat heaters on the Blue Ridge Parkway in your sports car. Good Lord. Hairpin. Oi! Love to see